8 laps around Midvale Speedway. Here we go, Chris.
The O'Reilly Auto Parts mini trucks will take the green flag off the front. Tom Johnson. And caution on the speedway for a failed start.
Frustrated than you and me, Chris, you know. Alright, let's see if they can do it around here now.
We'll try it again. Rick, Bob Johnson. Getting upset at him always leads to a better start.
Absolutely, Chris. As Bob Johnson takes the 3 wide on the back stretch. Ricky Brick goes from the pole to the tail.
Ricky Brick said, I don't want no part of this. I'm out. Jason Shaw to the second spot. Here comes Brady McLean in the 442 truck. Under the weather, so he's not here tonight. Obviously thinking about them as Eddie McLean to the inside of Brady for the third spot. Eddie McLean, your fastest qualifier. He's going to try and get up there. And Jason Shaw Brady's a little confused because that's the truck he wanted to feature in last week that he just passed.
Now he's battling for that number 1 position. The man on the move, the winner of last week's feature, is on. Can he go?
2 for 2 in 2 different trucks. White flag in the air one more time.
I tell you what. He's going to win himself a heat race tonight.
Tom Johnson will finish second. Eddie McLean third. Jason Shaw fourth. Stephen DeBeaver rounding out the top 5.